All right, I just got this in the mail. This is a hygger Pond Purifying Light for 100 to 1,000. Oh, it's good for 100 to 1,200 gallons of water. And so supposedly what this does is it kind of cleans the water. It's gravity block sink design, large diameter glass tube, long connecting cables, no chemical additives. All right, well, let's unbox it and see what we got. I mean, this is interesting. I've never seen anything like this. Oh, here we go. Oh, look at that. That's it right there. So I don't know if I'd want to go swimming with this thing in there, but apparently you plug this in and then you smush this on your, I think this is for aquariums, you know. You put it on your aquarium, right? And then you just plug it in. And it's like, I think it's like ultraviolet light. And the ultraviolet light kills all the stuff in the water. And supposedly this is all waterproof. I mean, we could plug it in and see what happens, right? Let me set it down here. So yeah, you would smush it against the, you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to take it over here. We'll do it in here because I can smush it against the mirror with those suction cups, right? Let's try that. So here it is. We'll pretend like we're in the aquarium here. I'm going to smush it on. Hopefully it doesn't fall and break. Then you plug it in, right? Oh, there it is. That's it. I don't know if I'm supposed to look at it or not. Maybe I need like blue light protection. But I think it's got an on and off switch. Yeah, here it is. So this is the on and off switch here, right? And that's basically how it works. You just got to put it in the pool and bam, Bob's your uncle. Yeah, that's it. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos where I show you stuff like this. Peace out.